Kuya Alex, 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 Attorney Kuya Alex, Attorney Alexander Kuya Alex Lacson for Vice President 2028. Team Bangon Pilipinas Party, 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 Team Bangon Pilipinas Party. Manalo na sila sa 2028 po ito, 2028 Philippine Presidential Elections at Philippine General Elections this 2028. Upcoming this election, Philippines 2028, upcoming this Philippine General Elections this 2028. God bless you all. The 2020. God bless you all. God bless you, Brother Eddie Villanueva, President, and Attorney Alexander Lacson, Vice President of Bangon Pilipinas Party. The color is green and yellow. Animal, it's lion and eagle of the Philippines. The Lord is my strength. The Lord is my rock. The Lord is my strength and my shield. Si Brother Eddie Villanueva at si Attorney Alexander Lacson sa 2028 Team Bangon Pilipinas Party at ang senador ng Bangon Pilipinas Party. Walang iba kundi si Attorney Israelito Torreon, National Unity Party. Attorney Mark Christopher Tolentino, KDP, PFP. Attorney Zosimo Jess Paredes Jr., Bangon Pilipinas. Attorney Alex Tinsay, Bangon Pilipinas. Kata Inocencio, Bangon Pilipinas. Imelda Papin, Bangon Pilipinas Party. Attorney Glenn Chong, KDP. Attorney Persida B. Reda Costa, KDP. Attorney Largadon, KDP. Attorney Rodolfo RJ Habillana at Lady Noran Sahidulia, KDP. Attorney Lemmy Rojas at Toti Casino at Carlos Itos Valdez, KDP, at si Attorney Trixicus Angeles at si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio at sina Attorney Jopit Sison at Attorney Reynaldo Ray Princesa, Dr. Ramonchito Ocampo, and Attorney Israel and Dr. Israel Berhiles, BP, Bangon Philippines Party.